Hi, this is Amin. I'm a top rated Facebook ad specialist on Upwork. In this video, I'm going to share you how to create a Facebook ads campaign as a beginner. First of all, you have to know what is the requirement of Facebook ad. First of all, you need a Facebook page. Must you have a Facebook page? If you run a Google ad campaign, then you must have a website, but in this case you need a Facebook page. Then you need to create a Facebook ad account. If you don't have a Facebook ad account, just go to facebook.com/ads.manager. Then you can create your Google Facebook ads account. Okay, then you have to select your object, what you want: message, traffic, lead, etc. Then set your budget, schedule your time, where your target audience and where your target location. Then create a fast ad or video. It will be maybe uh, video image video image, etc. Then place your ad, monitor your performance. And we can also do a additional tip: A/B testing, use pixel, consider Facebook tools, etc. So these are the mainly essential fundamental element of Facebook ad. Must have a Facebook ad account, Facebook page, clear understanding goal, creative asset and budget. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to start Facebook ad campaign now. So let's go to the main account. So this is my Facebook ads account. I already have a Facebook ads account. So if you don't have any Facebook account, and if you need to create a Facebook ad account, set up everything, then you can knock me. My information, contact information is YouTube video description. You can find out and contact me. I will help you to create your Facebook ads account. So first of all, click the create option. Here you can see the multiple campaign object. Here is the auction and reach and frequency. You click the awareness. So awareness, traffic, if you need a traffic campaign, engagement, lead, app promotion, sales. I just without pixel setup you can run awareness and traffic and engagement, lead, app campaign. But if you want to track run sales campaign, then you must have a website and with pixel setup. So simply I click engagement, click the continue option and click the manual setup and please continue. Okay, so after continue this option, write a name, Facebook ad campaign. So I write a meaningful name, message campaign for Pabna Genius Tutor. Okay, then click advanced campaign budget option. This is the advanced topic. A/B test, this is also advanced topics. I will not discuss about this video because it is a beginner friendly video. So not click this option, just click next option. After clicking next option, here you can see messaging apps. So now you have to write your ad set name. Okay, so write your ad set name, that's also meaningful: Pabna Shodor, location. Then messaging apps. So if just select messaging apps, WhatsApp and Messenger. I just want to get a messenger, so just click the WhatsApp. And if you have a multiple ad account, multiple Facebook page, then select another one. Here you can see this is my targeted page. So I just click this one. Okay. Then your daily budget and lifetime budget. So I will use lifetime budget. Daily budget, that means they will spend a daily amount, or if you set a lifetime budget, then they will spend a budget within this limit. So I just click 6,000 and September to October. Okay, so every day it is the BDT amount. On your location it will be USD amount. Run all times. I will not schedule. If you want to schedule, then click this option. After clicking this option, here you can see the schedule option. You can run a schedule option. If you want to just run a campaign on Wednesday, just click this one. If you want to run campaign 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. to 6 p.m., run this option. But I will not run a schedule option, so I just not click this option. Then you have to targeting location. So I just target location. This is a local. I will target a specific local area. So just cutting this option and write here Sodor Pabna. So Pabna Sodor Upazila. Just click this one, and 1 mile I will select 2 mile. That's a perfect. Okay. Two. Okay. This one is perfect. Then I will click switch original audience option. Just I will use advanced audience option, not use original audience option. Okay. Then click the next option and click the add preview option. Then write your ad name. I will use write ad name video ad by Badsha. Just write a simple name that you can understand. So here you can see use Facebook page and also connect Instagram account. We don't have any Instagram account. If you have any Instagram account, then you can connect using this option. Then create add use existing post. So just click existing post. Okay. And here you can see the select option. So I just select this option. Okay. So send message. Here we see the message. Send message is not available. Okay. So just click this option and and button send message. Okay, just update this post. Okay, so here you can see send message is perfectly work, but we cannot write any headline, so we need to change this post. We will use create ad option. Okay, so before creating ad option, just I will create ad option. Okay, so in this way here you can see set a creative. Okay, just create ad, set up your creative video ad. Okay, so which video will write, just write here primary text, headline and description. So first of all we need to upload our creative. Just click this video add option and write your primary text. So we need to copy our primary text. Just going our page, copy this one. Oh my god. And paste here. Chat. We need to write a text. Medhabi. Just copy this one. Paste one. No description. Okay. Then go to the next option. We need to add a media. So there is no media. Just we will use from our pages. Just click this one. Okay. Click the next option. Everything is fine. You can check also.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম আপনার জিনিয়াস টিউটর থেকে আপনাকে স্বাগতম
Then click this option and go to the next option and click the done option. Okay. Perfect. So you need to write a conversion. This is our location. Just we need to change. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. This is the automatic text. Okay. Okay, this is perfect. Then save. So everything is fine. Now we'll run at. Now we need to publish. Just click this option, publish. And finally ad is published. Now it is going to in review process. When it will when it will finish, then when after complete review, it will be active. So in this way we can run Facebook ad campaign very easily. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help, let me contact us. Thank you so much.